Hello everyone in Africa, welcome to my channel once again, Green Sheep Soap and Detergent. If you are planning to manufacture detergent powder, then I'm going to show you something interesting today. You see, Viva, a very popular brand in Nigeria, and their quality. It is a highly efficient detergent powder in the soil of Nigeria and its surrounding country. It is a very popular brand. Now, if you are entering detergent powder manufacturing business and you would like to know or have a desire to manufacture a quality detergent powder which has similar standard to Viva, then I can be a very resourceful person for your technological information and intellectual properties related to your manufacturing business. I can share with you the technical information and scientific knowledge that will help you to adjust your formulation, which can produce a detergent powder that has very similar standard of Viva. Or in a single word, if you want to know what kind of technological equipment and advantages you need to have in your manufacturing facility that can produce a detergent powder, a fine quality detergent powder closer to Viva, and what's its make manufacturing cost, how much money you need, your investment, and how much space you need, and how much manpower you need, and what will be your source of raw material collection, like which location you have to purchase your raw material, and what would be your raw material price costing. Not only than designing your pouches, and I can help you developing your brand value online, through online marketing, through online advertisement, all these necessary actions that somebody needs to have. And most importantly and overall, I can educate you at your full length. That education or that type of knowledge will truly and deeply help you to start or run your manufacturing setup. So I wouldn't like to extend this conversation anymore, so here I'm stopping. Anybody who needs to know all about detergent and soap manufacturing related information, do call me. I'm available. I'm always at your service. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for showing the kindness and supporting me on my channel, on my social media. And I'm very much thankful that so many people are calling me, and I am able to sort out their problems. I'm able to drive over their challenging questions with proper and more appropriate answers. Thank you. Thank you very much.